Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Coinbase Earn. Start by signing into Coinbase and completing identity verification, then enable two-factor authentication for security. Next, navigate to the Earn Hub and review available token lessons and short quizzes. Watch each video fully and complete the quiz to earn tokens directly to your Coinbase wallet. Finally, track earned balances and consider transferring to a secure wallet if you plan to hold long-term. Follow a simple flow to maximize Coinbase Earn rewards. Watch the provided educational videos, take the brief quizzes honestly, and claim tokens after correct answers. Check the token terms for eligibility, since some lessons require regional access or additional verification. Monitor your spot wallet to confirm deposits and read any holding or transfer restrictions. Repeating this process for multiple tokens can add up, especially when learning about new projects and allocation mechanics. Protect your assets while using Coinbase Earn by sticking to official Coinbase pages and avoiding third-party links. Use strong passwords and a hardware wallet for long-term holdings when feasible. Keep clear records of token receipts and transfers for tax reporting and future reference. Remember that token values can fluctuate, so consider converting portions to stablecoins if you want to lock in value or reduce exposure to volatility during transfers and trades.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.